The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Keep the fireworks going in the bedroom all year long. Miles with Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us about a new treatment for ED. Welcome, Miles. Always great to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for having me back.
Absolutely. It's so much fun. I just feel like we get so much good information here. And I want to talk about this new treatment that you guys are offering. Let's talk about it.
You bet. So it's about 30 years now we've been dealing with the pill. All the side effects, repeated pharmacy visits, lack of spontaneity, which honestly is turning me off a lot. Harvard even reported it doesn't work on 30% of men. But since we're in the 21st century, we now have a technology, not a pill, not surgery, and not needles, and it's called acoustic wave therapy.
I love it. Acoustic wave therapy is game-changing. How would someone know if they are a candidate for this therapy?
You know, the best way to know if you're a candidate, and the good news is most men are, is to come into the clinic, be assessed, get the blood flow ultrasound, and we're going to tell you kind of right where you're at and what course of treatment we need to take.
And as far as treatments, what are people looking at? Like, how many treatments would they need until it's fixed?
Well, it depends on you, obviously, but the treatments are very short. They're only about 15 minutes in the clinic because the machine itself actually works a little bit differently. It's placed on the skin. The pressure waves travel through the skin into the blood vessel, helping them to expand, oftentimes repair themselves. This is both pain-free, non-invasive, and very short.
Okay, I love that, the fact that it's so short, and kind of thank you for explaining exactly how it works. And each session isn't very long, right?
No, like I said, about 15 minutes. It's nicknamed the lunch break treatment. So you'll probably spend more time in your car getting to the clinic than you will in the actual treatment. But the good news is once it's done, you resume normal activity.
I think that's so great. And, you know, pain-free for people who may be a little nervous, right?
Yep. I mean, unlike needles and injections, unlike surgery, 4 to 6 week recovery time, even the pill itself causes some gnarly side effects. You get that blurred vision, that sudden rush of blood. We can get rid of all of that. Plus, the pill only masks the symptoms. We're seeing with patients that some of them are getting over ED, don't need the pill, and don't need to come back and see us.
Wow, that's incredible. And let's talk about people who are candidates for this. Who is a candidate?
So if you're a male, I mean, that's obviously the first choice.
Yeah.
Candidates, we're treating patients from 20 to 90, so there's no real age variance. Some of the 20-year-olds come in for what we call the top off on the tank. Some of the 90-year-olds, good job, by the way, 90-year-olds, they come in because they're experiencing some more severe issues that we can help them correct, hopefully.
That's so great. I'm sure there are people that maybe they're wanting to make the call, but they're a little nervous. What advice would you give to them?
I would give them this. You know what, guys? This is a medical condition. It's like eyesight. It's okay to talk about. Let's get the taboo off the table. Let's make sure that we understand that you're going to need some help to get over this issue. We're here to help. Men's issues is all we do. You won't run into your neighbor getting Botox. We will be discreet and professional, and you're in good care.
I love that. And Miles, it's my understanding that you guys actually have a giveaway, so let's go over that really quick for folks.
We do. I never come to a party empty-handed. So
you're my favorite kind of guest.
That's right. Today, if you call, we're going to give you the initial exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound for free. Wow. Plus, we have an additional gift. It provides powerful results in the bedroom. That's free as well. All they got to do is pick up the phone and call me right now.
So great. You guys, you have no excuse not to give him a call, or you can go to the website really quick. What's that?
WasatchMedicalClinic.com.
Incredible. Miles, it's always so great to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.